All right, lecture 2 for week 4. I decided let's make this a short week. Why not, right? It's a short week already. You guys already got one assignment. So I say let's cut it down to 2 lectures and see if we can't knock this out, all right? So what I'm going to do in this lecture is I'm going to kind of create a small little PowerPoint, maybe 3 slides. I'm going to show you how to play it, how to add themes, animations, transitions, all the stuff that you're going to need to do in the assignment. Okay? Pretty simple stuff. So let's start. I'm going to add a title. Title is going to be ITC131. Subtitle, I'm going to just put my name, Jim Morley. All right. So we want to add a new slide. What do we want to add? Let's go title and content. All right. First one. Let's go with, what do you want to do here? Let's go with some objectives, let's say. All right, and we'll come down here. And what are some of the objectives for the class? Learn to use a computer, for better lack of words. Learn, oh, I can't type today. Learn to use, I want to capitalize that, PowerPoint. Sorry guys, I'm a little off on the typing. Okay, so we'll just leave that as objectives. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add another new slide. And just because I want to show you the difference in the different slides and stuff, I'm going to go with a to content slide here. You can use whatever you want when you're creating yours, but I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put a chart in this one. So let's go ahead and let's do a, what kind of chart do we want to do here? Oh, let's just stick with a column chart. We'll just take this stacked column here and we'll insert it in here. And look, it comes up with default data in Excel, so I'm just going to close that. And there we go. We've got our stack chart there, and I want to insert a picture here. And let's see what we got. Let's go with our penguins. We love our penguins, right? Penguins all the time. So we've got our penguins. We've got, you notice how it auto sizes it, but I can still add all that stuff that we looked at before. I like the little reflection thing, makes it look fancy. So we'll stick with that, and we've got our chart over here that we can change the data for, the designs, the layouts, you know, all that stuff that we did before. We'll just call this sample. Okay, so now we've done that, and let's say we want to add some animations. All right, well, we want our title to appear, and it's just going pretty quick, so we want something a little bit better than that. Let's see, what are our other options? Let's just do a swivel there. Okay, look, see how it spins? That's great. All right, we want our chart to fly in, and we want our penguins to fly in, but we want the penguins to come in from the right, let's say. Okay, so our chart's coming in from the bottom, penguins from the right. It's going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, I like that. So let's come over here. We're going to give this another swivel. And one of the things I didn't go over before, but I think is kind of neat, but I'm not really focused on it in this class. You can see in the animations we have the entrance animations, the emphasis animations, which just, you know, flash or pulse or, you know, just kind of teeter, different things like that. But the font is always there. With the entrance, it comes in, and you see it. With the exit, it goes out. Okay, so I'm just going to stick with the entrance here, and we're going to come down to this one. We're going to make it do the random bars, and you see it goes 1, 2. So we've got 1, 2, 3, but I want these two to come in the same time. So I'm going to change number 3. Going to make it with previous. So now when I preview my animations, 1 comes in, and then 2 at the same time. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some transitions. Okay, transitions go before and after slides, right? We remember that. And we're going to come down here and we're going to see, we got to have some good looking ones. Oh, look at this. We got this honeycomb one. This one's really neat. How it honeycombs into the next one. Alright, so we're going to stick with that one there. And for this one, let's see, we have another kind of cool one here. I think this box one is kind of neat. Let's go, yeah, let's go with the box one, how it zooms in, zooms out. Okay, so we're going to go from 2 to 3 into this box mode. Alright, so we preview that. There it goes. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're going to go to our design tab and add a theme. Alright, what kind of themes do we want? Let's say, I don't know, pick something good here. How about this red one? That's kind of, let's see, kind of bright there. Yeah, let's try this one. This one looks good. Okay. So now we have our theme, and you see it changes the font automatically. Now if I want to change the fonts, I can come over here and I can do whatever I want. But it automatically changed the font to match that theme. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at my font here, and I'm going to go over to format. And I'm going to add some word art, because I think, let's go to the title and do that. I think it'll be nice with some brighter colors or something. Let's see what we got. We can do all kinds of different things and all kinds of different colors. Let's go with something that stands out a little bit. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, and we're going to change these. We have to highlight it all if we want it all to change. And let's go with a kind of a silver mirror for that. Okay, pretty simple to do word art in this. You can add different shape effects to the different things that you have there. Now it's gonna, it changes your borders and all that, but I'm not really worried about all that right now. So we'll come down here and we'll add some word art there. Didn't give us our white. That's the one we want there. Okay, so I've added word art. I've added some charts, some pictures, got some lists in there for stuff. We've got a title slide right up front there. And now we've put our transitions, our animations in, so now we're going to watch our slideshow. So let's go ahead, we'll watch it from the beginning. So here's our first slide, and it's all on click, so I click there. It's going to honeycomb through, just like we told it to. And we're going to have to click to see our title, so we click there. And there we go, it swivels in, makes a big entrance. And then we click again, and we get 2 at once, just like we told it to. We'll go to the next one. There we go, bounce over, puts in our sample, puts in our chart, puts in our penguins. Into the PowerPoint. Okay, goes right back out. Now let's say we found a slide, this objectives really doesn't fit in. What I can do, I can right click on it, and you'll see that I can delete the slide, or I actually have the option to hide the slide. You'll notice that it puts a box with a line around the 2 there. Now, and you can also click it up here, but now when I go from the beginning and I click, you notice that it does the box animation that's going to 3, because now we have slide 3 in there. Slide 2 is no longer seen. And by just clicking on slide 2 again and unclicking the hide slide, it goes back into the slideshow, and you see the honeycomb effect go back in. Now I'm just going to exit out by clicking escape. So that is a good option that maybe you want to take it out for a certain presentation, or you don't want to lose the information, so you just hide the slide and see if you actually need it or not, okay? I think you guys really are going to have fun with this. There's really not a whole lot else for me to go over. If you have any questions whatsoever, please contact me. But I think you guys got this week. I think it'll be kind of fun to kind of build a PowerPoint on yourself. It'll give me a chance to get to know who you guys are. I've been trying to a little bit with the movie reviews, see what kind of movies you guys like. So this will kind of tell me a little bit more about yourselves. So have fun with it. Don't stress out over it. I will be looking at kind of creativity and stuff, but have fun with this because I don't mean for this week to be very hard, alright? So 2 lectures this week. Do your assignment, do the discussion, finish the exam, and you should be done. Good luck.